Welcome to a fresh perspective on financial fitness, a journey that goes beyond numbers and bank balances. Just like maintaining physical health, achieving financial fitness isn't a one-time event. It's a continuous process, a lifestyle change that requires discipline, dedication, and daily habits. Think of your finances as a body. It needs regular checkups, a balanced diet of savings and investments, and avoidance of bad habits like unnecessary debts. It's not about having a six-figure salary or a hefty inheritance. It's about making the most of what you have, no matter how small or large. Financial fitness is about being economically stable, having the freedom to make choices, and being prepared for the unexpected. It's the peace of mind knowing you're in control of your money, not the other way around. So, are you ready to break a sweat and work those financial muscles? Your wealth workout begins now. The 24-hour wealth workout is a daily routine just like brushing your teeth or going for a morning run. It's a commitment to your financial health, a promise to yourself to take small, consistent actions that will lead to big changes over time. The 24-hour wealth workout is not about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about gaining control over your money, understanding how it works, and using it as a tool to achieve your goals. It's about breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and building a life of financial independence. Imagine your financial health as a garden. You wouldn't expect a seed to grow into a blooming flower overnight, would you? No, you would water it, nurture it, and patiently wait as it sprouts, grows, and eventually blossoms. The same principle applies to your finances. Your wealth is that seed. The daily habits you cultivate are the water and sunlight it needs to grow. The 24-hour wealth workout is your gardening schedule. Now you might be wondering, what does this workout entail? Well, just like a physical workout, it involves exercises designed to improve your financial strength. These exercises could be as simple as saving a portion of your income, investing in a retirement account, or paying off a chunk of your debt. The key is consistency. Just as you wouldn't expect to see results from a physical workout if you only did it once, you won't see financial growth without regular, consistent effort. Let's not forget about knowledge. Just as you'd need to learn the correct form to lift weights or run a marathon, you need to educate yourself about money. How does interest work? What's the difference between a stock and a bond? How do taxes affect your income? This is all part of your 24-hour wealth workout. And remember, it's not a race. Everyone's financial journey is unique, and it's not about who gets there first. It's about making progress, no matter how slow or small. Just like a good workout leaves you feeling energized, the 24-hour wealth workout will leave your wallet feeling healthier. So, what does a 24-hour wealth workout look like? It's all about forming habits. Just as you'd break a sweat to keep your body fit, financial fitness requires a similar dedication. Let's dive into some daily habits that can set you on the right path. Firstly, take a moment each day to review your expenses. It might not be the most thrilling task, but knowing where your money goes is the first step towards gaining control of your finances. The morning coffee, the occasional lunch out, they all add up. By keeping a close eye on your spending, you can identify areas where you could potentially save. Next, let's talk about setting financial goals. What is it that you're striving for? A new home? An early retirement? A college fund for your children? Whatever it is, make sure you're clear about it. Write it down, set a timeline, and break it down into smaller, manageable goals. This way, your overarching aim won't feel so daunting. Now, on to saving regularly. You've probably heard the phrase, pay yourself first. It's a golden rule in personal finance, and for a good reason. Each time you receive your paycheck, set aside a certain percentage for savings before you spend on anything else. It might be 10%, 20%, or even more, depending on your financial goals and current situation. But remember, it's not just about saving. It's also about investing that money wisely to grow your wealth. This could mean investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a small business. The key is to diversify your investments to spread the risk and potentially increase your returns. Lastly, never underestimate the power of continuous learning. The world of finance is ever-changing. Stay updated with the latest trends, changes in the market, and investment opportunities. Read books, listen to podcasts, or follow finance blogs. Knowledge, after all, is power. Remember, consistency is key. These habits should be practiced daily, just like your physical workout. So, are you ready to flex your financial muscles and start your wealth workout? Let's get financially fit together. Scene script. Let's get practical. How can you incorporate these habits into your everyday life? Imagine you're training for a marathon. You wouldn't just show up on race day and expect to finish, would you? Of course not. You'd train, putting in the miles day after day. Financial fitness is no different. It requires daily practice and discipline. So let's dive into some practical ways you can start building your financial muscles. Firstly, let's talk about setting aside a specific time each day to review your finances. This doesn't have to be a daunting task. Just 15 minutes a day could make a world of difference. During this time, you can check your bank accounts, track your spending, and review your budgets. This habit ensures that you stay on top of your finances and prevents any nasty surprises. Now you might be thinking, I'm busy, I don't have time to sit down and review my finances every day. That's where technology comes to the rescue. There are countless money-saving apps and budgeting tools available that can help streamline this process. These apps can track your spending, help you set budgets, and even alert you when you're nearing your limit. And the best part, most of these tools can be accessed right from your smartphone, allowing you to review your finances anytime, anywhere. Next on our list is setting financial goals. Just like in our marathon example, you need a finish line to aim for. Your financial goals can range from saving for a down payment on a house, paying off student loans, or building a retirement nest egg. The key here is to make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, often referred to as SMART goals. To illustrate, let's say you're aiming to save $10,000 for a down payment in 2 years. Break this down into smaller, manageable goals. That's approximately $417 a month. Now that seems doable, right? Another practical habit is to automate your savings. Most banks offer automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts. You can set this up so that a portion of your paycheck goes directly into your savings account. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. It's like having a personal trainer who makes sure you're putting in the work, whether you feel like it or not. Finally, educate yourself. Spend some time each week learning about personal finance. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch videos just like this one. Remember, knowledge is power. And when it comes to your finances, the more you know, the better off you'll be. So, there you have it. These are just some of the ways you can incorporate financial fitness habits into your daily routine. Remember, just like training for a marathon, it's all about consistency. Stick with these habits, and over time, you'll see your financial health improve. These practical steps are your daily exercises to flex your financial muscles. We've covered a lot today. Let's do a quick recap. We began our journey today by introducing the concept of financial fitness. Just as physical fitness requires consistent workouts and healthy habits, so too does your financial health. It's not about a one-time windfall or a lucky break, but about building and maintaining wealth over time. We then dove into the idea of the 24-hour wealth workout. This isn't a literal round-the-clock gym session for your bank account, but rather a mindset of maintaining financial health throughout your day, every day. It's about making conscious decisions about how you earn, save, spend, and invest your money, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Next, we explored the daily habits that can contribute to your financial fitness. These are the small, consistent actions that can lead to big results over time. We talked about setting financial goals, tracking your spending, saving a portion of your income, investing wisely, and continuously educating yourself about personal finance. We also shared some practical examples of these habits in action. Whether it's the daily practice of checking your bank account, setting aside a specific percentage of your income for savings, or investing in a diverse portfolio, these habits can help you build and maintain financial fitness. But remember, just like physical fitness, financial fitness isn't achieved overnight. It requires consistency, discipline, and patience. It's about making the right decisions, day in and day out, and staying committed to your financial goals, no matter what. Here's your challenge. Start your 24-hour wealth workout today and make it a consistent part of your life. Subscribe to our channel for more financial fitness tips and tricks. Remember, the path to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. So stay fit and keep running.